I'm on Redbubble and I've typed in American flag as my search term. So you can see now I get back 198,000 results. If I get rid of these stickers and I just search for American flag under everything, I get about 240,000 results. Now, I know a lot of people, when they see 240,000 results, they immediately hang their head in shame and they go, well, there's no point in pursuing this because there's a million billion American flag designs. But I just want to draw your attention to this one. It's a snake and it says, "Don't tread on me." And it's by this store. I'm just going to open this one up. And I just want to show you what this is all about. So this is like a state motto. And so I'm just going to click on this person's store. And I just want to show you this because this person's got 107 designs. Now, they joined in March 2014, so that is a while ago, but they've only got 107 designs. And as we scroll on down, you'll notice a lot of them, not all of them, but a lot of them are U.S. flag-based designs or state flag designs or something to do with the United States. It could be the Second Amendment, it could be Live Free or Die, it could be American flag design, that kind of thing. As I scroll on down to the bottom, you'll see out of the 100 and something designs he's got, you'll see there's over 5,597 favorited. So I'm just showing this as an example, 107 designs, over 5,000 favorited, that these are pretty popular designs. So in this video, I'm going to show you an easy way that you can find US flag-based designs and you can use them for Redbubble, TeePublic, Merch by Amazon, whatever you like. So there's a company that I use called All American Graphics, and it's very easy. You can just sign up. It's pretty good price, and it gives you unlimited access to all these designs. So I'm just going to type into where it says search products at the top. I'm just going to click the little search button, and it will just give me back all the graphics. So you're going to see, because I search for nothing, it'll return everything. There's a lot of cityscapes. There's a lot of like activities with the US flag behind it, fishing, hunting, nature, that sort of thing. There's also a lot of like glasses, fireworks, and there's just a ton. I'm just going to just click on some random pages here. You can see there's a lot of military stuff, July the 4th. There's a basketball design, mom. So if you're not super savvy as a graphics designer, so for example, if you don't have Photoshop, if you're not interested in using Canva and buying premium memberships, this is a very easy way for you to get access to a lot of relatively high quality designs that show in a niche that are pretty popular. So for example, here's ship anchors, American eagles. There's a lot of religion. There's a lot of Second Amendment, that sort of thing, free speech. Again, it's all US-based designs. There's some really clean, I'm just going to open up this one, some really clean silhouettes. So this is nice. You get the white one and the black one. And so to basically buy this, you would just add it to the basket, and then you just enter in your information like your username, your password, that kind of thing. You sign in, and then you can just download it. And then you get basically a high-end PNG file that you can use as a baseline for a t-shirt graphic or as just apparel graphic. I do want to point out the reason I like something like this is the niche itself is popular, but there's also a million billion ways you can scale up the niche. So for example, just using this camping design as an example, you could say camping Nebraska, camping Idaho, camping New York, camping California. The list goes on and on. You've got 50 states, right? So because there's a US flag, you could make this any city, any state, any park, any state park. You've got just this one design. By just adding some text underneath it, you could easily scale it up to 50, 60, 70 designs. Then you can just flip it inverse, and now you've got a t-shirt that's got a similar thing with slightly different font underneath it, white light font, and you're off to the races. So between these two pictures, you could easily have over 100 different unique designs using this as your base image. There are categories as well, so I'm just going to pop these open just so we can see really quickly what they look like. I'm just going to pick the first four, just kind of at random. So here's animals. There's fish, bears, moose, and again, there's over 12 pages. I'm just going to zip here near the end. You can see there's a lot of stencil work, a lot of Bigfoot stuff. It's very popular. These are very, very popular genres. There's a lot of circular designs, which I like as well. These are awareness and ribbons, so a lot of firefighter things, police, support the state trooper, that sort of thing. Again, I'm just going to flip through here. You can see there's different ribbons as well. These are really popular designs because the ribbons themselves are embedded into the flag. So those are very nice as well. They're not overly complicated, which is actually a good thing. This is the Bigfoot, and again with the U.S. flag, sometimes in the background, sometimes in the overlaid. And then we've got cityscapes as well. There's Boston, New Orleans, Chicago, and the list goes on and on. They're always adding new stuff. And if you want to get notified, you just click this little Get Notified button. And it just says, enter your name, enter your email, and you can subscribe. And they'll send you anytime that there's a new image is added, they'll let you know, which is kind of nice, right? Because that way you can jump in if you're looking for something to use that maybe hasn't been used by a whole lot of other people. So I do want to point out that the link that I'm going to be providing in the video description below, it is an affiliate link. And what that means is that if you click on the link and then you wind up purchasing the yearly subscription, I would receive a small commission and you would be helping support this channel. Here you can download the entire website for $33 US, deal ending soon, thousands of graphics. However, there's a deal. Friends of Zen Water Cooler get it for $27 through PayPal. So that's kind of nice. So you get a little bit, if you click on this little link here, you get it for slightly less. So I did want to mention that. You've got a little bit of a deal there, and that'll be down in the video description below. I use these guys a lot. I think the quality of the designs are good, and what I like is that they're not overly complicated, so it allows me to add text either underneath it, over top of it, or even on it. And so I totally recommend these guys. And I have used this for merch by Amazon. I have used this for Displate. I've used this for Redbubble and TeePublic, and all of them have passed through the quality inspection, so nothing got rejected. So they're definitely high enough quality that it gets through that checkpoint. So that's pretty nice. So I hope you guys found that helpful. With 4th of July or any American holiday, could be Thanksgiving, could be Memorial Day. There's all sorts of awesome U.S. holidays, and this is a very strong tentpole demand, these All-American graphics. Hope you guys found that helpful, and have a great day. Thanks, everybody.